So the Uttar Pradesh government, in its outreach to farmers that have deployed UP police officials and people from the revenue department from village to spread awareness over the new farm laws. Speaking of which, the new farm laws that have now been implemented by the government, we are looking at more than a month long of agitation that has been taking place at the Delhi borders. But this is a direction that has come from Yogi government that all senior police officers of Uttar Pradesh administration have been given the responsibility to send policemen and people from the revenue department from village to identify farmers that who are not going to take part in the farmer movement and also raise awareness amongst the farmers over the new farm laws. Going across to Samartha for a quick live update. So what is this outreach program that is now being planned by the Yogi government, Samarth?
Well, CM Yogi Adityanath has directed the Uttar Pradesh police officers to reach out to the farmers who are staying in the different districts and small villages to tell them that what these new laws are all about, to let them know what are the benefits of these laws and also check out whether they are going to take part in that particular protest or not. So these are the responsibilities being given to the nodal officers 2 days back, and now these responsibilities have also been given to the officials of revenue department and UP police from DG level to DIG level. All kind of officers are being given this particular responsibilities for 75 districts in Uttar Pradesh, and every SP has to take note about their particular villages. Like whosoever is going to take part in the protest, they first have to talk to them and pacify them about the new laws that are being, because there are some elements, as per CM Yogi Adityanath, there are some elements who are trying to mislead the farmers in this particular protest. That's why more number of people from, be it from Lucknow, Bahraich or any other district of UP, are going to Sindhu border or going to UP gate for the protest. And today also from Shamli of Uttar Pradesh, a total of 70 to 80 farmers are going to take part in the particular protest which is happening in Delhi and Haryana border. So these are the things CM Yogi is very much concerned about these things. So earlier he notified that nodal officers were decided to go to that particular places to pacify the farmers. And now the responsibility has also been given to the UP police officers, the senior cops from DG to DIG level, to take stock of the situation and visit every village and talk to them naturally to understand the current situation, the ground situation, what farmers of Uttar Pradesh are currently thinking about the new farm laws, and if they have any doubt about the farm laws, they will make them understand about the benefits of farm laws and kill the rumors taking place around the social media regarding this particular law. CM Yogi has also been seen addressing many rallies, be it in Mau and
All right, Samar, thanks very much. So this is the Yogi government outreach program to the farmers there, many of them who have now joined in with support to the government over the new farm laws. But this awareness program nonetheless will be carried out by the Yogi administration. Samar, thanks very much for joining in.